Let us go ahead and key in our credentials, username, and then password, and then click Login. This will bring us to the Fetchit page, which is the initial page on the Retran website. This is a part of the website where you can search for specific property that is or was in foreclosure. You can search using different criteria, such as a property APN, a property street address, a notice document number, loan document number, a TS or trustee sale number, a homeowner's name, a homeowner's phone number, and of course from your own personal notes that you have added to the website. Your search word may be whole or partial parts of the record that you're looking for. For example, typing 123 will return all APNs that has 123 in it. Typing Smith will return records with Smith in their name. For this example, let's say I would like to investigate on a property located at 3318 Campbell Street. But then, oops, I forgot the street number. All I remember is the street name. No problem, all I have to do is key in Campbell using the criteria property street address. After that, I go ahead and click on search, and this would give me all the properties that has the word Campbell in the street name, and there's a map. And if I scroll down at my search results summary list, let us look for property 3318 Campbell Street. Let's look for it, and there you go, we found it. Now the blue bar on top tells you what the column names are or what kind of information are below it. This bar sticks on your screen whether you scroll up or you scroll down, so it doesn't get out of your view and you can always refer back to it. And you can sort your list by clicking at a particular header name within that blue bar. Also, as you can see, the first column contains a list of numbers. Clicking on each number gives you a more detailed report for that particular property. So this is the summary list, and this is the detailed report for that property. As you can see, there are more informations. And besides each number are checkboxes, which helps you to mark individual records for batch reporting. You also notice that every time you move your mouse, it becomes green. So regardless where your mouse is within the green area, if you click on it, it will check the box. So let us randomly select multiple properties for our batch report. There you go, we've selected some of them, and just click go. And there you go, just in one window, and I have 3 detailed reports. This is very useful if you are trying to print multiple reports, so you don't have to click on each property one by one. You also don't have to check all the checkbox that you want to. There's a button that says check all. Clicking that would, obviously check all the boxes. And we can send all of these properties to a detailed report. On this example, we have 91 reports, all in one page, so you can print them out more conveniently. And let's see what else is here. There are different types of output for you to select from. Second one is a detailed report, but let's select a smaller set of records so the website can move faster. Let's select 1 to 5, click on check all, and oops, I forgot, let's do it again, and let's set it to detailed reports. This is now the same report, but it has more information. You can see a graph, you can see comparables, you can see history of trustee sales. Retran is the only one who provides that information as well, the history of trustee sales. So go ahead and hit the back button of your web browser. You can also import your data into Excel file. Let's open, oops, my system is not set up for Excel. It's opening it up in Notepad. Let's fix that one up. There you go, there's Microsoft Excel. Click OK. And there goes our download. The website allows you to download all the information plus at least 110 columns for you to play with. So you can import this into Excel, your own database, or your own CRM application. You can also, of course, save your data as a text file, CSV with headers, no headers, CSV mailers if you only want specific field names. And of course, you can also send your information to Google Map if you're planning to do some trip plans or import it to your GPS. I forgot, you can also create 5160 labels on the fly. There you go. Just select the properties, create 5160 labels, and print it out. No third-party applications, no mail merge in Microsoft Word. You can create labels on the fly straight from the website. And you can print your entire summary list as well by clicking the button that says print this. Let's look for more features on this page. You can also, of course, navigate the map. You can maximize, you can zoom in, zoom out. Each particular house is a clickable property or a clickable icon, which gives you some specific information regarding that property. Clicking on the title would scroll down automatically to that property. And clicking on the red arrow on the lower right part of the screen would bring you back on top. There is also an icon that looks like a document with a car. This basically opens up Google Maps and all the neat features that comes with Google Maps. The best one I like here is the Street View. Everybody is probably familiar with that, wherein it gives you a view of the property as if you are standing in front of it. So here's one, and you can actually rotate your view. Let's see what's around this property. There you go. Let's go back to the website. There is also an actual document, which is very helpful if you are door knocking, because it gives you more credibility rather than just a random person appearing at someone else's door. These are also helpful for your mailing campaigns. It just makes your offer stronger. And these are all free part of your subscription to the website. Another icon is a pencil as well. Pencil allows you to leave notes. And remember that your notes become a searchable part of the website, so you can always look for it later. And once you save it, you would notice that the pencil icon has changed and it became a notepad icon, denoting that you have added the note on that property. Properties that have been officially cancelled out of a foreclosure notice receives a legal document called Notice of Rescission. Let us look for one. You can find them easily on the website as they are denoted by a document with the letter R on it. We have seen a lot of people waste time working foreclosures just to learn later that a notice of rescission has already been filed. You have to remember that a notice of rescission is totally different from a cancellation of a trustee sale. A house icon links to an MLS page. If there are any MLS records for specific property, we tell you how long ago it was listed, the price, and if it was a short sale or not. Whether you are new or an expert in the foreclosure business, we are sure you will appreciate what Retran is great and known for: the freshness and completeness of its data. We are the first one to make foreclosure records available online, and in this market, we all know speed is the name of the game. No other feature in our website best sums that up than newest records. Clicking newest record gives you only the freshest data for the day. These are informations that are probably not available anywhere else but on this website. And from there, we can do the same things as we did a while ago from our previous search. We can list 5160 labels for our daily mailing campaigns, create reports for our door knocking opportunities, or you can even create your own call list, as our records do include phone numbers and even multiple phone numbers on some. Just make sure to follow the do not call list guidelines. With the newest records, you can just search once and be done for the day. But if you are the one who likes to investigate, study, and filter your leads, then batch search is the best option for you. By clicking batch search, you have more control in what data you would like to look at. You may search for notice of default, notice of trustee sales, trustee's deed upon sale, auction information, or status of past sales. For this short demonstration, let's say I want to search for all notice of default for Los Angeles published November 10, 2015. Let's select a date range, November 10, and November 10 on the second box as well. I have the options to either select as recording date, which is the date when the notice was filed, forecasted sale date, which is the date we think the property might go to sale, and of course, publish date, which is the date the information was made available on the website. For this example, let us select publish date. There you go, let's click it. And then below it is a My Save Criteria. It's a list of my filter presets that I have configured earlier. You can always create your own. And let us scroll down. You can also select by other types. We can select Show All, Show Notice of Delinquency Only, Show Notice of Defaults Only, and Show Notice of List Pendants, which of course Retran only has. And let us filter by property location. Let's select Los Angeles. And of course, we can filter by the basics, which are property details, square feet size, lot, number of bedrooms, and property type, single family, commercial, however you want to filter it. And by defaulting loan information, beneficiary, multiple loans, loan origination date, loan amount, loan to value ratio, max offer for our savvy investors, delinquent amount. And then below it are report types. You can also filter your search by records with only phone numbers. Let's highlight that part. It's this one. Or you can also filter and not show properties that have been rescinded or expired or has reached a statute of limitation. Retran also has a feature called Graphical Reports. This is if you are doing some newsletters and you would like to customize a report, you can do it on the Retran website on the fly. Let's say we want to search for the ranking of beneficiaries. So just click beneficiary, click create graphs, and there you go. That's your report. You can now cut and paste this to your own report, to your own newsletter, or if you have a seminar, so you kind of have a ranking of what the statistics are for foreclosures. Let's go back. You can name your search and hit save and begin search if you need to reuse your criteria at a later time. Anything you type here would appear under your My Save criteria the next time you do a search, if you remember that particular area we saw a while ago. But for this demonstration, let's go ahead and hit begin the search. Let's wait for the result, and there you go. That's our result. Let's look for other icons that we were not able to see on our previous search. This one is a plat map. A plat map basically shows you the geography, shape, and size of a lot. Compared to an assessment property lines from Google or Bing, this document shows you the actual measurements as well as any special notes from the land surveyor. So that would be it. Another one would be an orange gavel. An orange gavel would list all involuntary liens, which are liens the homeowner has not subscribed for, such as judgments, unpaid hospital bills, mechanic liens, state or federal tax liens, and the such. Another one is a green gavel, which basically is the reverse of the orange gavel. These are liens that the homeowner has subscribed for, such as second loans or line of credits. Another one is also a blue gavel, which is basically a transactional history of loans. There you go. Let's look for other icons here as well so that you can get familiarize yourself with it. Oh, there you go. There's a film strip, which basically shows you an amateur drive-by picture of the property. Let us look for another one. Let's see if we can find one in here. Oh, there you go. It's another film strip or drive-by picture. Okay, and the next one would be, here you go. It's an icon of a house, which is basically a link to an MLS website. So this is that particular property that is in foreclosure and also currently for sale. So shows you those individual pictures. And if you click on my bookmarks, this one acts as a summary dashboard. It lists all your save criteria and any new records for it, all your individually bookmarked properties and which stage they are in foreclosure, and any property that you have added a note. And the good part is that you get notified via email for any changes or activity that happens within your parameters. Just make sure you enable this function by clicking My Account from the upper left part of the website, and then scroll down to the website options. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed the video and you are now ready to dip into our website. If you do have any particular requests, just send us an email at help@retran.net or give us a call at 1-877-711-1147. Thank you very much and you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.